back twice in a matter of a few days. 'Tis the grind. There's no such thing as an off season with a race car, right, Rick?
That's right, bud.
So we're getting ready to put the motor back in the car, unless Rick gets called out for a fire again. Hopefully no one's house is burning down tonight. So we're gonna get the motor back in the car. All the grinding kind of done. We just gotta weld some mounts and stuff back in the car. We're gonna get that there horsepower back in this super stock, and then see if we can maybe get some paint going tonight. Clean out some of the new bars. This brings a question. Oh, we'll get to the question later, but I got a discussion point that I want everyone to comment below. We'll get to it, but it revolves around paint or powder coat. We'll get there. First, let's get this motor in this super stock. All right, Rick's really good at building stuff, so. What are we building, Rick?
Motor mounts.
And why are we building them?
Because Rick likes to build. The competition buys, we build.
Yeah, competition buys, we build. I like it. Why buy something when you can build it? That's what I like it. I dig it. So Rick's cutting some new motor mounts for the car instead of buying them. Use scrap, build stuff. I like it. Alright, I said we were going to talk about powder coat versus paint. Rick, do you like paint or powder coat?
I like paint.
Why do you like paint?
Because you can fix stuff after.
Fair enough. So our race car, all this red, and we all know how much I love red, is powder coat. But I had to go get some spray bombs made up that were the same color as paint, or sorry, the powder coat, so that we could touch stuff up, because we are not re-powder coating the chassis, because that's not going to make the race car faster, but spending that money on other things will make the race car faster. So I want to know, comment below if you're a racer, or if you just know stuff about paint and powder coat. What do you prefer? I know a lot of race cars, I mean most late models, even new super stocks, everything are powder coated, but cars like Rick's, here's his paint, right?
Yeah.
So it's all paint. So this on Rick's car is paint. And that's the color that a race car should be. Unless you are Dale Earnhardt, and I am not Dale Earnhardt. But yet, here I am with a stupid red race car. That's all. I just want to know that. Powder coat or paint? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for another shop video tonight. Rick did all the work tonight. I stood here and supervised because Rick's smarter than me with this stuff. I promise I'll help next time.
Yeah.
Show what Rick got done in here. Look at these new motor mounts. Ain't that slick? I think we should replace that. Motor mounts are looking pretty slick though. Those are much better. I helped a little, I guess. I was here. Emotional support. I turned a few wrenches. Rick's the fabricator right now. Once we get the motor back in, I'll be more help, I promise. But that's it. I won't ramble on. Hit that subscribe button for us. Lots of people who watch these aren't subscribed, so let's make that happen. charitymotorsports.ca. Check out our TikTok. We're back on the TikTok. We got like 15,000 views in the past 2 days. And that's it. We'll see everybody next time.